This is my challenge to Skullcandy themselves. I challenge you to hashtag Skullcandy better than I can. Who can add Skullcandy better than the Skullcandy? You too, what's going on? Listen, I made this video back like November 17th. I'm not gonna lie to you. Merry Christmas, first off. For that brief moment, having a little bit of unity is all that matters during the holiday season, in my opinion. Hopefully this goes up by Christmas, unless, you know, kid got lazy and uploaded the video day after Christmas. Oh, no, you actually uploaded it during Christmas. Good for you. Well, in that case, have a Merry Christmas. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video that I made. Enjoy the video. Guys, it's freaking time. I keep looking at the screen. Okay, it's such a distraction. It's finally time. You see what I have on my desk? See what I have upon us? The thumbnail. I've been craving these headphones for a very long time. And I finally got them. It took a month to get here. This is gonna be my first unboxing video. I'm even dressed for the occasion. Like, peep. This is why I haven't been uploading. This is where I've been. So, let me. First, we got. It is. You want to focus on that? 1935 Skull IQ app. That was the first step. I saw that immediately. I have to download this immediately. Put it in the background. We're gonna leave it right there. All right. We're gonna save the best for last. Save the best. This is my challenge to Skullcandy themselves. I challenge you. You watching this video right now. I challenge you to hashtag Skullcandy better than I can. Who can add Skullcandy better than the Skullcandyster? What the frick are you talking? Unboxing me. Alright. First up, we got these. Look at these. Crispy ANC tube. ANC stands for Active Noise Canceling. This is the second edition. This is presentation right here. See that? Wait. Okay. Something's wrong with me. Crusher ANC tube. The Crusher stands for subwoofers on your head. Literally candy for your head. I've been waiting all day to open these. You don't understand. Oh wow. Oh wow. It has that like. It has that you know, that fresh what the freak are you talking about? Open the headphone. Oh buddy, true black. They got a start. Ooh, almost freaked me. I wonder if they got Skullcandy stickers. I mean, they got Dia de los Muertos. I don't think that's come with these USB-C, the USB-A, and an aux cord. That's awesome. I have let me show you. Let me just show you. I had these for like 3 years, right? I was playing Apex and I got jumped by the Avengers. Took these and I threw it across the room and I regretted it ever since. These are the SLYR gaming headphones from Skullcandy. Even after all the abuse, it still works. Like, it's still, the longevity in these Skullcandy headphones are awesome. You feel the heaviness? Sheesh. Got this premium. I mean, I'm probably never gonna use this bag if I'm being honest, but like as a daily carrying bag, I'm probably never gonna use it. But when I'm traveling and packing up, I'm probably gonna use it. Nice and soft. Feels like, wow, that feels amazing. Oh, whoa, okay. I was expecting it to be good, but this is better, way better in person. Oh my, and you can rotate it both. Wow, this is premium. I'm sorry to say, Beats by Dre, you just got stomped by the ANC tubes. Look at all these like buttons on here. Freaking, you hear that? You don't hear that. Bro, just yapping, bro. Put the headphones on. That feels great. That actually feels better than, I thought this sweatband was gonna be annoying, but that feels great. That actually feels really good. I didn't even notice this. If you notice on the side right here, of the boxes. Can you freaking focus on that? You can see this nice design right here. They call it the bone. Oh, I'm ripping the freaking box like an idiot. They call it the bone headphones, which is, I don't know. It's a cool name. This is not, they look like brand new Air Forces. They look like that. Oh yeah, that same smell. I don't know how to describe it. You gotta buy it for yourself to understand. Oh yeah, do you see that true white? Another user guide manual in here. More design details, you wanna focus on that? That's pretty dope. Another charger cord with the skullcandy. You wanna focus on that? White aux cord in the bone color. Another user guide. That's awesome. Do you see this? With the peach buckle. Again, I don't see myself like carrying this bag like for daily use. Like if I go to the gym, I'm not gonna, you know, walk in there like this carrying my bag. Put this back in the box, back in the bag when I'm traveling or something. Again, the same material. What is this even made out of? This is awesome. You wanna focus on that? Yeah, I don't know how to describe that. Not waterproof. Here you go. All right, let's see what we got in here. Hold up. Ooh. Sheesh. And the freaking, what is this? The base controller is peach. Yo, this white and peach is actually really dope. One thing I really do wish they do with like all their headphones universally, how on their gaming headphones, they have like L and R. It just looks so cool. I don't know how to describe that. We have, I just almost dropped it and I caught it. All the appendages, what? Peach color right here, peach color screw. That's awesome, dude. I cannot wait to power these boys up. But yeah, this is really nice colorway. Wow, that's awesome. Crusher ANC too, dude. I want my Crusher crushed. Sheesh. That's, wow. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude. If that falls, skullcandy, I'm sorry if it falls. Don't, please, I don't hate you. Shut up. Next and last, yes, last, no. We have the REALTREE collaboration. Pink skullcandycrusher ANC 2s. Look at the freaking, look at this. Do you see this? Look at it, look. With your own eyes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, all right, here we go. Scared the freak out of me. Crusher bass with none of the noise. Absolutely, already. Look at that. Woo! What you doing? What you doing hiding from me? Oh my goodness, already, dude. I didn't even open it up all the way. Yo, this looks amazing. You ready? Feast your eyes. What's wrong with you? Loving this pink aux cord though. That's awesome. One thing I do want to point out with these boxes, while I'm hashtagging skullcandy harder than anybody else on the planet, it's 100% recyclable. Great headphones, and it's good for the economy. 100% win-win. This is awesome. I just realized on the tree block over there, the button for, I don't know what any of this do. It's too fancy for me. Same peach as the bone color. Crusher ANC 2s, dude. Bars. Got a black buckle. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome. I saw the new collaboration, but I can't cuss. So I'm gonna say that's freaking awesome. Skullcandy. Wow. Wow, that's awesome. All right, feast your eyes. You ready? Wow, okay. I'm not weird. These, okay, this is my favorite headphone. I never thought pink and tree can look so good together. Look at the skullcandy emblem. Hold on. You see that pink in there? These are my favorite headphones at this point. That's awesome, dude. Sound doesn't look this good in forever, but this is. This is tough, man. These are my goats right here. How do I get the, you know, the Skullcandy hard carrying case? That is a game changer. Because when I travel, I travel heavy. Not one, not two, but three of the best hashtag Skullcandy. Who can do it better than me? Who can hashtag Skullcandy better than me? If you can, step to the plate right now. What are you talking about, bro? Money spread. Money spread. This is a real money spread for all y'all. Money spread. Money spread. The freak are you doing? I even got a pink phone case. That's crazy. Wow, you can feel the ANC too. It's crazy. The freaking subwoofers go crazy. Yo, the ANC, it's just trippy. Oh wow. Oh wow. Talking is actually trippy. The way these things is vibrating my skull. You hear that? These things they're actually vibrating. Wow. This is no crusher mode activated. That's crazy. They're actual subwoofers, okay? I'm actually scared to turn on these. Oh, okay. I just turned, okay. Brother, stop being a freaking little sissy. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Take them off. Take them off. I'm going to go get a glass of water so you can visually see the aggressiveness. Okay. You think I'm just... Oh, you're just a little sissy. Be right back. This is a cup of water. This is Skullcandy's Crusher ANC 2. You think I'm a little baby, huh? I'll show you. Do you... Okay. I don't know if I'm getting it, but that is crazy. This thing is vibrating like, oh my goodness. That is insane. This is such a great experience, and I'm happy I got to do a video like this on my channel. And I'm happy it got to be with one of my favorite headphone brands out there. Thank you again, Skullcandy, for just creating these amazing headphones. I got these before they got out of stock, by the way. You thought you can hide from me, huh? Nah. The freaking struggle. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Of course, if you like the video, be sure to like the video, comment, share. I don't know. Do something with the video. Until next time, guys. Thank you again. Catch you in the next one.